What's up, guys? Hey, I just wanted to say that, you know, life could get very rough, but you got to hang in there. So last night, because of the flood, we had our trailer with equipment in it, concrete equipment, grinding equipment, everything. I mean, pretty heavy. And I guess the water took it off. They don't even know where it's at. It's somewhere in the woods. I posted a picture. And so we were going to go down there and get it. Now my truck, something happened to my truck. It won't start. Fairly nice new truck that I paid cash for because we're a debt-free company. But now my truck won't start, right? So I'm in pretty good mood. I just want to let you guys know that all of us go through stuff. No matter what in life, life is always going to happen. And you have to just continue to move forward. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can be mad for a second, but it really doesn't do much, right? So you guys hang in there. We'll keep you updated. Have a great day. You know we are. So this is my phone. So the video quality is not going to be as good, but you can see my truck, the trailer was sitting right here. So all the surrounding water came through. You can see the trailer out there. Oh, it's sinking. It's a soft ground. So then it came through here. How that made it through there. Excuse me, Michaela. Wow. It's always a challenge. We're a floor company. Hell, you know what's ironic is we epoxied the inside of the trailer and flaked it, made it real nice, used polyaspartic to waterproof it for water that gets on the inside. Didn't realize it was gonna be like this. Oh, stickers. We're lucky it didn't go in this creek, because otherwise it'd have been gone. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go get whatever it's called to put on the front that has a wheel for like boats, so you can move it around while it's on the wheel. We'll jack it up, put that on, hoist it with a come along to that tree to turn it, and it can roll on that wheel, and we'll have a 2x10 to lay down and turn it. Then we'll straighten the 2x10 out, and once I get it pulled over here, we'll turn it. We'll latch to that tree there with a come along. I don't have a winch. Wish I did, because if I had a four-wheel drive, I could probably back up in here, but there's water in the beginning. So then we'll take it right through here. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get it up to here. Oh, because what we'll do is after we winch it there, we'll hook to this tree, pull it up, then readjust it, maybe hook to that tree, I don't know. If we get it close enough, we might be able to get the concrete equipment out and just carry it so we lighten it up. And then I'll hook to that tree there, winch it out till we get out of the woods. And then we'll use the truck and winch it from here to there. So we've got an all-day event. This is gonna be fun, but it's the only way I see to get it out. If this wasn't so wet, we'd just back up in there with a four-wheel drive and yank that sucker out, but I don't have a four-wheel drive either. You guys have a great day. You know we are. check this out. Came from there, but what we're doing is putting this doodad on, tighten it up, and then we're gonna grab a hoist and pull it as we go to different trees and work our way out. Then we might empty the trailer after we get closer to get rid of the weight, but that's how much water it had in here. Look at my floor. These are protected, but you can see how much water is in there. It's on that box. That's how much water was in that sucker. Got mud in there, we'll have to power spray it out. All right, so let's get this going. They're grabbing the chain.
Okay.
It's going.
It's going. It's going. Hang on a second, Dale.
It's still wanting to do that. Here, stick that.
Oh, there it went.
Bullshit!
Maybe we can put it on the other side.
Yep.
Oh, what am I doing? Oh, don't mind me, guys. Why don't you say anything, kid?
I'll send it.
All right, we've come up with a new plan here.
Don't empty her out.
Empty your house, right?
Good thing that concrete machine was scratched in.
Yeah, and the vacuum.
Yeah. Well, that's what I thought about. The first thing was that machine, and then I thought, oh, God darn, I got that big old vacuum in there too. Okay. As y'all can see, they know what they're doing. They've done this a couple times, looks like. I knew it was an adventure this morning when you was calling at 8 o'clock.
You can get it on there.
It's probably cussing me, wasn't you? Because I didn't answer the phone because I was downstairs. So I thought, man, it's either Tommy or Boss. That's probably either Tommy or Boss calling me. And so I got my coffee and jetted upstairs.
Okay, go back there and push again.
Here, just in case.
Yeah, gotta have that one out, don't we?
It's gonna come this way though.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, that'll maybe keep it that way. Just in case.
Boss, be careful there. If I was you, I'd
Yeah, we're gonna come this way.
get over on, well, because this thing's on this hill, it's gonna want to push that way. Or it's gonna want to push towards you. There you go.
No.
No. There you go. All right.
Hey. So the reason that Caleb, when I pull up to a job site, if it's going rough, he instantly pulls out his knife trying to cut me. Because anytime I bleed on the job smooths out and the job gets done, all the problems are over with.
Look at that. Would you just
Look at all that blood.
Look at that. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? All right.
I hadn't got this chain around here yet.
I mean, that's all we got.
We'll have to get that in there. I got it wrapped. Heck yeah.
We made a little bit of progress. They've been pushing and I've been steering. We emptied the stuff out of the back, so that helped. It was like 1,000 pounds probably. Can't believe that was all the way back here. All right, now we got to go through the mud hole. Brakes over. Mush. Mush, you heathens. So they've been pushing and I've been steering till it gets to a point where I can't hold it on there, but I've been steering it pretty good. So we'll get that back on there, steer it. So we get out here and then we'll turn it. Keep laying our boards out, push it as far as we can go till we got to get the winch on it again. Fun. That's what she said.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Mush!
On the leg. We gotta get it back on the. Can we get lifted on there?
Yeah, we're gonna lift it.
That's what we stopped you about.
That's what he did a while ago. Go ahead.
You're on the board.
I'm holding the board down for you.
Oh, so we gotta lift and pull.
Yeah, you gotta lift. There you go. Ma, you made it.
Hell yeah.
You guys are awesome. All right, we got company.
Yeah.
Might be the homeowner. Here it comes. We got help.